Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 31. 잘부탁드립니다, which means please take care of me. Again, the word 잘부탁드립니다 is used to say please be kind to me or please take care of me, which is usually used when it is your first day on a certain work or position. How do you write 잘부탁드립니다 in Hangul? It is composed of 7 syllables. Let's start with the first 3 syllables. To be able to write the syllable chal in Hangul, we need to draw first a jiat character followed by an a character followed by a real character. For the second syllable bu, we need to draw first a biup character followed by an u character. For the third syllable tak, we need to draw first a tiat character followed by an a character followed by a giok character. For the fourth syllable du, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an u character. For the fifth syllable rib, we need to draw first a real character followed by an e character followed by a biup character. For the sixth syllable ni, we need to draw first a nian character followed by an e character. And for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an a character. And that's how you write 잘부탁드립니다 in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned 잘부탁드립니다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 21 to 30. But don't forget our word for today, word number 31, 잘부탁드립니다, which means please take care of me. First word for our review is word number 30, talbucha, which means see you again. Word number 29 is ito pa, which means see you later. Word number 28 is kanyang, which means just because. Word number 27 is pali, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is chakaman, which means just a second or just for a while. Word number 25 is Gomawo, which means thank you. Word number 24 is Chingu, which means friend. Word number 23 is kumane, which means stop it or enough. Word number 22 is jotta, which means good or great. And the last for our review is word number 21, Gamsahamnida, which means thank you. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.